Good afternoon, student. This is the lecture number 26, unit number 4, that is state the general safety norm for the given case, which is prepared by Professor Atul Wagule, lecturer in mechanical engineering. In the previous lecture, we have studied what is safety, what are the importance of safety, industrial safety measures that we have covered in the previous lecture. Today we are going to study the importance preventive measures, then preventive measures of the situation like handling electrical equipment, importance of safety measures such as safe workplace and working conditions, safe material handling, prevention of electrical accident, safe activities, education and training, use of personal protective equipment, good housekeeping, safe working method, accident prone areas, safety programs, safety awareness. Okay, so these are the topic we will have to cover. The safe workplace and working condition. Now, what are the safe workplace and working condition that we will have to study? Now we are working on the assembly line, in that the passageway between working places. Okay, so both sides of the shop floor levels are having some machineries, lathe machines, drilling machine, milling machine, robotic arms. Okay, so in between that, the working place, the road, track and alleys must never be obstructed. Means the space from which the employee has to move, that space must not be or never be obstructed, and enough space to move and operate. Means there will be some adequate amount of space will be there for the movement, for the operation. Okay, for adequate lighting, ventilation, natural daylight, the height of the working room and window should have adequate dimensions. Means wherever the actual production is going on, so there will be some adequate amount of lighting must be there, proper ventilation must be there for the inhalation of oxygen, natural daylight will be there. Okay, the height of the working room and window should have adequate dimensions. Means whatever the windows and whatever the heights of the roof will be there, that will be having some proper dimensions. As that height of that roof will not be proper, in that case there may be a chances of suffocation. Okay, so that will be proper, that roof, height of the roof and the floor will be proper. Floor must be of non-skid type, satisfactorily plain and easily clean and absorb sound. Means we know that when we are moving around or moving on the shop floor or working on the shop floor, so that it will not be skiddy. Means there will be no chances of slip. Okay, then satisfactory plain and it will be easy to clean the surface. Okay, and absorb the sound, that is soundproof. Means what soundproof? Not soundproof exactly, it absorb the sound. Means there is a tremendous amount of some working machines will be working machines, so that there will be some amount of noise or some excessive amount of noise will be there, that noise or sound will be absorbed by the floor. Okay, in enclosed room, to have comfortable condition, to controlled air temperature, air purity, humidity of air, proper ventilation is a must if the manufacturing process give rise to dust, smoke, fumes. Okay, means in manufacturing process there is some dust will be generated, some smoke will be emitted, fumes will be emitted. Okay, so that the proper ventilation must be there at the manufacturing shop floor layout. And in enclosed room, the comfortable condition will be there, to controlled air temperature, air humidity, air purity, that means some acceptable atmosphere, some comfortable atmosphere or some comfortable environment will be there. Whether natural or artificial, There should be sufficient illumination of adequate color of light, continuous and uniform and free from glare. Okay, so there will be some color coding will be there. Okay, select and purchase machines and process which produce little noise and isolate in separate closed cabins. Means purchase such machines, such type of machines and processes which produce little noise, म्हणजेच खूप जास्त कर्कश असा आवाज करणाऱ्या मशीन्स नको. And isolate in separate closed cabins. Means for every machine there will be some separate small size of cabin. I think you may have observed or not. I think you may have observed or not, but whatever the CNC machines, lathe machines are used in now in industry nowadays, that will be enclosed in a small chamber or small cabin, so that whatever the sound created by that machine, it will be enclosed in the or that will be limited to that enclosure or cabin. Okay, then safe material handling. To avoid premature fatigue or transport worker, full use should be made of a mechanism material handling equipment. Means there will be no human interference. Okay, whatever the transportation or material handling will be done with mechanized material handling equipment. Use mechanical means of conveyance to ensure the safety of mean engage in material handling. Okay, use mechanical means of conveyance to ensure the safety of mean engage in material handling. During transport, sharp materials, sharp edge goods, poles should be covered. Okay, during transportation, the sharp material means if there are some sharp edges, sharp materials, then poles should be covered. Then next one is the goods should be piled up such that they do not collapse due to impact or vibrations. Means whatever the goods or some poles will be there, that will be piles up under the floor, so that they will not collapse due to the impact or vibrations of the machines. All material handling equipment should be properly repaired and adequately maintained on priority basis. Means whatever the machines are in working conditions, that machines require some regular kind of maintenance. Otherwise what will happen, the failure of machine will take place and they will fail at a proper time. Okay, so important time. So there will be some adequate amount of maintenance on priority basis will be done for every machines. The prevention of electric accident. How we can prevent the electric accident? Electrical insulation should be periodically tested. Means on every electrical wires, there will be no bared wire will be there, so that we can prevent the accident. Use proper tool for testing and repairing. Means after the manufacturing of the equipment, the testing and repairing will be done. For testing purpose, proper tool must be used. Repair work should be done after switching the power off. Means whatever the repairing will be carried out on the electronic appliances, that will be done by switching switching the power off. Use safety equipment such as insulated tools, rubber gloves wherever necessary. Wireman, you have observed the wireman, he has or he will climb on the electric pole for the some repairing. At the time of repairing, he wear the rubber gloves or insulated tools in order to prevent the direct contact with the bared wire which is transmitting the electric current, so that we can prevent the accident. Then safe activities in the following situation. Repair work on the machine should not be done when it is running. Means whenever the machine is in running condition, the repair work on the machine should not be done. All the tools should be kept at their proper place. Means whatever the tools we are using, After the work, all the tools will be placed at the proper locations. Chips should not be removed by hands. Means the mechanical engineer student work on the lathe machine. They have experienced it. So whatever the metal removing process will be done with the help of tool on the lathe machine. In that case, the small chip will be removed at the time of turning or drilling or some milling operations. So whatever the chip will be seen at the workpiece surface, that will not be removed by hand, because that chip has some sharp edge, as well as the temperature of that chip is very high because of the friction between the tool chip interface. Okay, the worker should be trained about correct procedure and safety precautions. Means whatever the workers will be working at shop floor, they will be trained about the correct procedure and safety precautions. Okay, so at the time of some accident or some fault, he will be properly work on it by taking the safety precautions. Constant warning, publicity, and placard carrying slogans are also helpful to reduce the accident. That's why some precautions as well as the safety rules will be written over the flex, and it will be stick at the or on the walls of the shop floor, in the workshop, as well as in the company. Okay, then education and training ensure everyone has the proper safety training related to the hazards of the job. Take advantage of environmental health and safety online training program. Means that new employee or newly recruited employee must take the help of environment health and safety online training program. It is each employee's responsibility to take an active role in the maintaining safety. means सेफ्टी मेंटेन करायसाठी प्रत्येकाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहे टू टेक द ॲक्टिव्ह रोल in maintaining the safety. Understand 4 E's of safety: engineering, education, enforcement, and enlistment. Okay, E's, that is engineering, education, enforcement, and enlistment. Okay, so these are the education and training. Then use of personal protective equipments. What are the personal protective equipment? Protection of head, that is safety hazard hats or some helmets, rubberized hat for protecting against the liquid chemicals, ear protectors. Okay, protect our face masks, face shield, welding helmet. Some equipments are shown on the right side of the slide. Protection of eye, goggle of hardened and clear glass for protection against impact. Eye cup goggles for protecting against flying object and dust. Eye cup goggles impervious to chemicals for protection against the acid flashes. Protection of lungs, airline respirators, cartridge respirator, oxygen or air breathing apparatus, gas mask. Now in this COVID pandemic, we have also habitual about the use of mask. Because of that mask, we have a tremendous amount of advantages, such as when we are moving on the road, or when we are traveling on the road, we know that because of the emissions from the silencer of two-wheeler, four-wheeler, or some heavy loading vehicles, so that silencer emits, or the engine emits some NOx, nitrogen oxide gases, carbon dioxide, and during the time of respiration we inhale that toxic gases in the lungs. So because of that, some respiratory diseases will be there, such as pneumonia, some what we can say that tuberculosis, or something like a COVID-19. Okay, so these are the diseases will be airborne, or some what we airborne diseases will be prevented by the use of mask. The protection of eye, that we have already used. The protection of lungs, that is airline respirator and cartridge respirator, oxygen or air within apparatus, gas mask, protection of other body parts, for example hand, foot, legs, the protective asbestos clothing, gloves, safety shoes, foot guard, safety body belt, apron. So these are the different personal protective equipment shown over here. That is eyewear, protective helmet, air plugs, then cloth, dust mask, protective boots, then safety gloves. Okay, so these are the some personal protective equipment that we will have to, or we must have to use while working on the shop floor. Okay, then good housekeeping minimizes fatigue and discomfort to the worker and motivate them. Good housekeeping means there will be some important slogans will be there. Whatever the area in front of that company will be neat and clean, having multiple number of trees will be there. Because of that, some fresh air will be near in environment. It reduces the chance of fire and other hazards, increases the life of machinery, equipment and tool, improve productivity and quality of the product, better utilization of floor space, enhances the morale of workers. Now, good housekeeping means what? Suppose we have at our home, okay, and our mother keep each and every part of the house neat, clean. All the things are kept at a proper locations. Okay, so that we will very comfortable. We are eager to do something new. Okay, so we use the better floor space, enhance our morale will be enhanced, increase the life. Okay, whatever the instrument at our house, that will be or the life of that instrument, such as TVs, refrigerator and other appliances such as sound system, that will be the increase in the life of that gadgets. Okay, digital gadgets. Okay, and now that our house will be compared with our room where we live at the time of our education outside the our native place. Such as few students from the villages are coming to Amravati for taking the education, and they are living taking the room on rent. Okay, so whatever the things will be haphazardly spread over here and there in the room. Clothes are fall on here and there. Okay, so the books are placed very randomly, so that atmosphere we doesn't like. Okay, so that will demotivate us who has a habit to live in a neat and clean place. Okay, so that's why the housekeeping or housekeeping will plays the important role in increasing the machinery life of machinery, equipment, tools, improves the productivity and quality of the product, better utilization of floor space, and enhance the morale of the worker. Okay, so that kind of things we have observed at our home as well as at our room, where we are living as a tenant. Okay, so these are the different things come under the housekeeping. Then next, safe working methods. What are the safe working methods? Always use appropriate tool, equipment and protective equipment. Always remove all the rings, bracelets, medallions and everything which could get caught in moving machinery or may conduct the electricity. That we have covered in the last lecture also. Always read the manufacturer's data and information sheet. Do not work when you are tired. That also we have discussed, because we have taken some medicine. Because of that, our concentration will get loose, and uh, because of some drugs we have taken, the reactions of that drug may arises. Okay, so that will be prevented when we have some tired or getting not getting well. Okay, in that case we will have to avoid the working at the shop floor. Always ensure your tool and test equipment are kept clean, appropriate, in good working order. Okay, so whatever our tools or equipment we have to work while working at the shop floor, that will be kept clean, appropriate, and in good working order. Okay, always discharge capacitors in a circuit and use correct fire extinguisher. Okay, that's why according to the new rule, every hospital, every organization, every flat system must be provided with fire extinguishers, means small that gas fire extinguisher, small cylinder of gas fire extinguisher. Because we have observed one very big tragedy at the Ahmedabad. In There is one very large complex. In that complex, tuition classes are going on at the time of that 9 a.m. means 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 to 11 o'clock in the morning, and that complex is getting heavily fired, and because of that, students are stuck inside the classroom. Okay, and they are unable to go outside. Okay, because of that, they have jumped from that second or I think third floor, and near about 22 to 25 students getting died. Few of them are burned completely, or few of them has jumped from the second or third floor. Okay, so this is a very bad tragedy. Because of that, the very strict laws will be there, and according to that laws, everyone has to keep the small cylinder of a fire extinguisher wherever the students are gathered, or some peoples are gathered for some purposes. Okay, so this is the safe working method. Then next, accident proneness, unattentiveness, and daydreaming. Unattentiveness or daydreaming means what? We know that few persons are sitting on the chair and working, but they have some unattentiveness, and because of daydreaming, they doesn't kept alive or something attentive to the workers, or attentive to their job. Poor eyesight and hearing and lack of stamina, that is also dangerous. Poor adjustment of work, distaste for the job. Then too much sensitivity and tendency to get emotional, dislike of the supervisor and foreman, lack of training, proficiency and skill to do a work, insufficient intelligence, unsafe behavior of the worker. So these are the different causes of accident proneness, means why the accident will take place. That is attentive and daydreaming, poor eyesight, hearing, lack of stamina, poor adjustment of work, too much sensitive and tendency to get emotional, lack of training, proficiency, skill to do a work. These are the different things on which the accident proneness will occur. The safety program means was supported by top management by appointing safety director, engineering a safety plant, process and operations, education all employees to work safely. Means there will be some proper training for the newly employed candidates or newly recruited employee, so that he will well aware of that all the pros of this accident, studying and analyzing the accident to prevent their occurrence in future, enforcing the safety rules, holding safety contest, safety week, okay, and giving incentives prizes to the department having least number of accident. Okay, so these are the some motivations to be given to the department to do the work by taking too much precautions, so that it will be prevented that the accident will not be taking place in the organization. And then increasing the safety awards, safety awareness. Increasing safety awareness in any organization doesn't just happen by accident, nor can achieve a continuous awareness through passive engagement. These things like safety posters and flyers may be read once or twice before they start the work. Even like safety awareness week or in-house training sessions can be helped to bring top of mind awareness to a certain topics, keep employees engaged. The best way to create a effective safety awareness is to build a safety into everything you do within your organization. So these are the things will happen, things will be essential in every employee. Okay, so that the safety precautions will be followed very punctually. Okay, then preventive measures while working on electrical equipment: avoid water contact, uh, use some aprons so that the prevent the use of wearing of the rings, necklace. Okay, so that we can prevent the direct contact with the electrical appliances. So these things will be helpful in the preventive measures. It always use insulated tools while working. If you are working at your home, then always turn off the main switch. Never use equipment with frayed cords, damaged insulations, or broken plug. Okay, so these are the topics that these are all the topics we will have to study in today's lecture. Um, from tomorrow we will start the next topic, that what is SOP, need of safety operating procedure, benefits of SOP, steps of SOP, and preparations of SOP in the next lecture. So we will stop over here. Thank you.